Hello, hi leaders. I'm Navadeep, and I want to discuss about something important about connection between life and the nature. Life is very complicated and subjective. However, the nature is very much have the same concept all across the world. The nature is is something which is existing when this universe or this earth came into being. However, the life is a phenomena which comes after the creation of this earth, and then there was suitable environment and ingredients about the life here on this planet. But we are living in age of 22nd century, and people are very desperate for seeking for peace and inner self growth, where they can find the calmness and they can feel really potential which nature has given them. But for some reason our urban life is taking us away from us, from the nature. So many meditators, many coaches and trainers and researchers and yogis and Sufis all across the world, they think that we have to connect ourselves with the nature, and we cannot get the flight of happiness until we reconnect ourselves to the nature. The nature which was before thousands of millions of years ago till now, and will remain in next thousands of million years also. And human experience and personal experience, that is just maybe a few thousands or few millions years ago man came on this planet. But the nature was far, far, far more old than what we are imagining now. So myself, when I come closer to nature in the early morning time or when we are in the evening, then I really find peace. I talk with myself. I start to feel my soul. I question about my beliefs, what the society has given me when I was childhood, my parents, my society, all environment which I was nurtured. And then I got actually real answers, because I meditate myself with my spirit, with my soul, and how we are talking at the moment with you. I'm talking with you right now. Is the result of a spirit, and I'm in a human and body and physical experiencing I'm doing. However, when the waterfall gives you a pleasure to your ears, not to ears, ears are just a via, a bridge between your soul and the experience which our body is perceiving this reality from us. So same thing, if we are disconnecting and the people are stuck in the world, in the home, in the urban or city life, in technology, in so much frustration and challenges, materialistic challenges, financial challenges, relationship issues, whether at home or at work, we need to address these issues. And we cannot talk with ourselves, we cannot address these issues until we reconnect with our nature. So I'm here in central London in a beautiful park where beautiful natural environment is here. It makes me really closer to life. It makes my connection to to the nature. It really makes my connection to my God. And then I talk about some those questions which I'm looking to find are very satisfactory and the real answer. And I try to understand reality. What is reality? What is the spiritual experience? What is the role of mind in my life? What are the thoughts? How these thoughts are generating? How I create my own thoughts, or it is a reflection of society upon me? So these are very basic questions. I try to find answer. Many gurus and people, they have been very successful in explaining these realities. But my message to you to think about that, close to the nature, and think who you are. You are just a body, or you are a mind, or you are a soul which we cannot see or we cannot feel, or we are consciousness which is beyond soul as well. Or what is your identity? What is yourself? So these are very fundamental questions which we have to explore. Many people, many philosophies, many religions, many holy scriptures, many leaders and authors and gurus, Sufis and meditators and monks and yogis, they have been addressing these issues from thousands of years till now. But still, because this life experience is the quest to find the reality and the truth, and that's why we have to conquer to find the path to get this reality. And I believe that there may be thousands of interpretations of the same phenomena, but obviously there is one reality, and that reality I am going to explore as well. I'm trying to understand as well. I'm trying to go into the depth of what I have been perceived by my society, by my parents, by my nurturing upbringing, and to my very much human body experience, or my mind, or my created thoughts, or my induced thoughts. So everything is making a collective effort to seeking the truth. And I'm sure that I will find the truth in somehow, in some degree, and you will also needs to be work hard and come and connect to the nature and find your fundamental answer. Don't go for any other third opinion, because until your heart, your spiritual intelligence, your consciousness will not connect what they are looking for, you cannot get the truth. And you can come with me. I'm on this journey to finding the reality and who I am, and what is the secret of this whole world. Is it real world, or it's a perceptual world, or it's just a fake reality, or it's a real reality, or it's just a mental hallucination? And what God or my Creator has to do with me? I need to do some just religious or rituals, duties to make happy my God, or there is some other reality? So I'm at the journey. You join me, and I will be addressing on these things in later on videos as well. You can join my platforms on Facebook as groups and the YouTube channel, and hopefully we will have a journey, and I will definitely share with my insight and my conclusion in form of my blog as well. I do write blog as well. There will be address underneath this video, and I will see you very soon. Thank you and goodbye.